Wealth Building Life Hacks, 18 Tips for Saving, Earning and Investing for Financial Success. Create a budget and stick to it. Start by tracking your expenses and creating a budget that prioritizes savings and investments. Save automatically. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account each month. Use credit cards wisely. Pay off your credit card balances in full each month and take advantage of rewards programs to earn cash back or travel points. Shop around for financial products, compare interest rates, fees, and features when choosing bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial products. Negotiate for better deals. Don't be afraid to negotiate for better deals on everything from rent to cable TV. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and focus on living below your means in order to save and invest more. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses such as dining out or subscription services. Maximize your retirement accounts. Contribute the maximum amount to your 401k or IRA each year to take advantage of tax benefits and compound interest. Invest in index funds. Invest in low-cost index funds to diversify your portfolio and take advantage of long-term market growth. Consider real estate investing. Explore real estate investing options such as rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs. Start a side hustle. Use your skills and interests to start a side hustle that can bring in extra income. Pursue additional education or training. Invest in your education or training to increase your earning potential and career opportunities. Focus on high-earning industries. Research industries with high earning potential and consider pursuing careers in those fields. Network and build relationships. Network and build relationships with people who can provide career or business opportunities. Consider entrepreneurship. Consider starting your own business to have more control over your income and financial future. Take calculated risks. Be willing to take calculated risks in order to achieve greater financial success. Avoid debt when possible. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt and pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Stay disciplined and consistent. Stick to your financial goals and make consistent progress towards achieving them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to get more interesting videos about wealth creation.